All right, Greg Flores behind the scenes with the Don Young Window Company, and we're talking about argon gas. We're at the gas station today with Scott Young. Tell us why argon is so important, Scott.
Yeah, we're back here in our argon gas station at the Don Young facility. The argon gas is a colorless, odorless, inert gas that doesn't harm or damage anything. It's about 5 times more dense than regular air, therefore resulting in about a 16% thermal improvement over regular insulated glass. And the technique is pretty simple. We have a probe that we inject into the glass, and we actually turn it on, and it fills up in about 30 to 45 seconds. And once it's filled, there's a sensor inside of our probe that shuts it off automatically.
Thank you, Scott. Greg Flores, the gosh darn it guy with Soul Solutions.